Hello, agus fáte hiic Na Seansálaithe, mas maidir seansa ghlacu ghlaciad Na Seansálaithe. Is mise Hugh me go le cheada agus móíon get go ní sinne inniu neas go céim fá ach mar iscra bé mar bé mar go fáil déine seo chu bhí cé go seansa bé bé mar stíad retirement home lumhainn ach ní bhé mar lumhainn séirhin go bé man seo le muid cóleachaí le mo chuid cairde ar dúspáir bhí man seo le aine bhuiir aine go dtimar tá tú.
Mai intas asa go déag le James is my héana a bheith leat ar an lá ínta speisialta seo, Hugh.
Yeah, I know. Fihe sé, tá mai géirí inta sean. It's just, tá ahanrod is just starting to not work. Agus can't fi gan a bheith gobar, tá man seo fásta le James ó Fláirte. James, Jimmer Tatu.
Yeah, go má, a chuús an éartas a go tú fáil sean ag fér sé as go mis fér seo. It's kind of insensitive, Hugh, ceaping, Ach, the fact go tú agus tá mis just benmhaid gan mis ar an absolute roasting an Áine in Tascate. Nuair dúir si leat nach mbeadh tú I bog a hart mór an agus tú literally hééis rá phodchraoladh seo.
Okay.
Tú chuine rounders seachtaine agus go tú scrista. So béidir go an íseachtar began ní skipperí na tá
Like just the cohex sin seachtain ó hin beg nachis.
Yeah, bhí se an aclaí, má gimmert le dingy a bhí mór like munteirí bunscala, so na sáineálaí don cléiche. Iad na bhína ag múnú an tamar fad. Bhí sin British Bulldog fásta agus cén cinile What Time Is It, Mr. Wolf? Na Mr. Fox na could be Áine bhí agad ar bhí sibhsiúr an bunscáil. Ach, tá rounders deadly caiim mar ran is fiú bhain man saltas agus máthing ag mór. For much like fihe dunne isteach gotí an park in nachla maach agus háisimuid chuid síos na jumpers agus bhín tennis racket agus a hanrod linn agus háisimuid a gimmert. Bhí se deadly.
Well, it's come actually killing airs map because na dúir tú chin ní stúisce version go méid tú I retirement home agus tú in an phodchraoladh seo. But the pain is Áine ceapí. Bé mis long gone Riffenberg's agus shit. So it's all good. Like come kill me off aimed in it. I think we should definitely hear the name this Amy. It's a group shot.
Oh, could you how much can you da an dunne eile because cai dunne a bheith an cad dunne. So nar tar
yeah, in fairness, like ní mór ná bócaí am. Like
I'd say it's definitely going to be Pauline Nigéji, Elimtashta or son James.
Oh,
Sin go meid sé sasa leis an cinú sin.
Ní má cant fao céite chun genú an idiot like it's like Sean the Seansa like Seansa for life, but ag an táú na ag like in furrow like céite much chun dhéanú don dunne eile like my genimid like requests don na daoine eile, you know what I mean? So like and mé sib sin an genú like Comedy Central roast dúsa agus mé má sé gur mission cedding le gá just gen cin si dhéana sibh áraid a bhfuil a haninge an mí comportá leis ba go bhéh mise a gaiirí faoi darrá go fáil beá.
Yeah, I'm just like the highlight like scene sin a howled, he's a like a clean news Mahane's James just was starting Robert Ufas off it. That can be done.
He was the dirty dog.
He was the dirtiest of the dogs.
He was the dirtiest of dogs.
Bhí me brand new blion to chuin ag a cansla daoine ar an tímo agus Jesus. Bhí talún sco.
Lion Riz bhí se all an number ce Riz.
Dúir daoine leis nar bhí sé se hóige go bhreanna se cos ra Harry Potter. Well, nar bhfuair sé ní sinne the Rizzard of Oz a bhí an and that either.
Well, bhí dríocht san air na bhí se cáint. Arcad sin cilíonn sogné. Sin bonus a daoine bhí na ggurcar an fís.
Weekly cilíonn a seachtainí mo dionir.
Yeah, or like no just my tone.
Actually, Ross actually like is Harry Potter geek subscription, am I?
No.
Yes.
No? Yeah, okay, Áine. So Hugh so through my leather chocolates, níimiis go má can sa bra, but thought so I'm sure with it. So my bhí tú riamh cansa duine cíns a réiche mó a bhfuil simach go a Harry Potter.
Okay.
Aberlob rá Hey Siri seach an na phone agus lu cá iPhone acu agus má tá iPhone agus má engine Hey Siri seach an agus tá iPhone actually go as an sira. Aber Loomis seach sa gohan agus tucan an flashlight ed.
Didn't you not go list like na Harry Potter nerds show Hanahan?
Béidir ní sam.
Passing sin le go blian.
Oh, well.
Well, this is gaffalish stuff, so Bell was
ag le Knox rá le é bucu.
Oh my god.
Okay, just some peaceful.
Sin da cartoon sauce ma and wand. Nor the iPhone, you know. Choose your poison. Choose your own weapon.
Do you know what? Níamachchan ein rudí Harry Potter bhí agam ag mo kosher or ní ro sin a flan bhí agam níamachchan ein rudí Harry Potter bhí ag mo kosher breithlá ach sin seans níos beidir má genidir sin gus mé can so much courage ar fád agus béis like is fuil Harry Potter came out the genidir seo gus fi like does James exaniate
I'm actually fool at it and I wonder on just childhood sort of trauma
hold on
yeah because during your lay a hand in a Harry Potter fast niece
ní Harry Potter wain well actually no agus mé gurí ní sinne fáim Peter Griffin and sinna cinú waim yeah Peter Griffin
sure Harry Potter na Peter Griffin
yeah I know that's like I'm very aware
you go to Peter Griffin
no near léma cuds in the lorry agus mé gurí suas agus put Níroma like gaffala fi just featured ag ma corsan agus bhí like le acu ag ma corsan lé mai na chud sin agus sim go dulgamon tú bud níró ein sam agam chuní gá lá like man ro se acu like ar man ro in cad leor acu so sim gur lé so go dín Goblet of Fire question mark sin sin cin journal ar léma agus an sin just near chuid man na scanan is iad chat má so just kill that mental blind spot a bhí ons.
Well, stop doing an pointe is massa. Mar éann siad níos fásta sús an pointe sin right. Sin rud leis an ráirtí sort fástan siad leis an duine éann siad níos d'orcaí le an leor. So hartar leor chuig éann siad like oh my god me just a gar go má muinú agus tá páiste in é a bhrístí haing síos agus a sé dénne muin.
Tíh muite a ha?
Well, tá mé estáit and I looked and where's this granny not tá clogad there. So an méid tá air full an clogad like ní mé arc.
Níl sé caiú an clogad.
So ní sé go nocht.
The bridge Arthur Rucci.
Ní sé go nocht tá sé postcard tá sé okay.
Bu his le dia go se caiú barat.
Well, was a definitely gonna walk the moon. Has a clogad with.
Yeah, but definitely like owning sé Vader Hugh. Agus níl sé bhulach like tá sé an áit cóhoscailte. Bú sé sá le Cornel, but like níl éon rud a clúdach.
I know sé náidir an nach ba.
Nach just le feicáil a féin bhain a bheith pleistí
na feicáil. Goil lead ó na chuna má agus a fú dhéanana láta bin na ríide.
Ring mis sin bhí mis sé bliandí, se bliandí.
Yeah, but Raha or cool balla or something.
No.
Like the main who's like in park him on a Rahin or cool and stand or something. I mean, you know, just oh my god, what's good day?
Well,
I cannot jump in what's the person now, you know, in fairness, won't you?
Yeah.
See, up for targets.
Is it really?
You know?
Neil really aim
yeah. In fairness, though, a lot of thoughts, you know,
and Jacob just wrote you Wadney's Jacker, Collie Needle, and I heard staying away, not lads.
I know. Yeah, no, anything with that. Yeah.
As they're cool to be in a sheepies show.
Yeah.
You mean the Shiwis?
Sheepy or Shiwi is Captain yeah.
Sheepy
is much. I pick me kind of got on Colleen Garrig or like Féilte is Campbell is like, you know. Is it ain't easy squatting.
Not being the sheepies, not pushing them much been Swiss or Everest, not pushing them much it. I mean the guys and shit. Not a couple of sheepy yogurts that James could do, so he's Morocco.
Yeah, I think we're up.
I think sheepies.
Yeah. Agus
na mac and sheepies.
Mac and sheepies.
The horse boat and because of Moroccan.
Oh Jesus. Jesus. Oh yeah. Tá actually from a fáil lein textníú mar go se chuig blianana chuimiid ar J1, so chuig blianana bhí misisigus sa James ar J1 an saoú seo agus ring siad surprise party dú cos bhí go bh fi hín agus caiisi do más a teachma le deach cheannach dífa agus sin hánig marráis agus bhí like Hawaiian skirt examtí like réadú agus the coconut bra agus bhí an sin mis a caiún ní ding bí eile caiún coconut bra just le bheith ansáir agus an sin ring siad fís tá muid teile agus much card just a bháile ar fad like a ré like lebre a honda dú le ré like Washington agus John Cad agus fanúil agus ahanana so bhí se angláte.
Cute.
Na eerste sin is gur sin chuig glinachan. I know nach more an fucky am like. You know, clock is ticking like. I was gonna. No, that's my boss. I do is macht zu rank. Tá earth on Hawaiian skirt on coconut bra like.
Kevin Gate.
On Reddick, yeah. I just look, but on Reddick he's on short board then big time out go macht snob H like, so it's all good like.
And then you do gardu because then you kitchen go into West or hit sorry because Niasa with me my raid like a massa Hawaiian skirt coconut bra to give through.
You know, good old autumn funeral, you know. But I think that's home like which I cannot drizzly was that which I can sad on which I sad a lot, so it was that
crack out it.
Just me and his Hugh held like a general house.
Aloha hoi aslan James.
He's a trandolin scatter on a chuid luchrí.
Hey, no. I'm just gonna Curtis or break boy did it. So baby should Curtis then. That's not the base man.
Taking to
I'll be my scatter name as fog odds one man, please.
I care
for nothing odds like
Dark Hermit
scattered play Toma.
Bit this scattered go ní spirial ní fiúin agus tú mar like seans dar much non tú chu an actual an special that you know actually mean to Dominic tested in Roisin Dove no na he's the tailors na just basically an fob in Galib that your ring which kind sprinkled it in an kinaku
so cake different bags be my pinty Guinness foreseeable. Need to
nasty
drop more on that any as you but yeah
no
Harry Potter yeah we could use Harry Potter though
Harry Potter it's proud of your Auntie Potter
in fairness though cannot scale my kid I'm saying Hugh as a Harry Potter me all vi mis cannot gaflo mar na dog ach then chuma ag cuiimelumm hí breithlá ceachmas cóir an as chumid seach ag an ag picturean achas cinná disaster bhí muinte mohunne so land am seán like carach an numa de seach is sconad agus hí mar sí sa hosmas brandwell is hí mar cho pissed off go an nedid gon sconan callsam go dús ma never again agus stop my brandwell
ar a han scanan.
Yeah.
Sin co-drama to like.
No, Ian. Am I the drama? No.
You hurt me once, never again.
No, but you might like. What's the point? You know, the 40 minutes missed down. Kill us for like all these. How far can I make a DVD? I shouldn't be another 40 minutes in it. But
in fairness, 40 minutes is an the
essential.
Scan. Yeah. Although the scan on the gear your water add in a hot take.
Well, we Harry Potter going father. Yeah, we're like.
I know, but shouldn't like that's courage it is.
Shouldn't just regular gun it.
I know.
Yeah.
Like then it's gone on Marvel. Over the it as Avatar, honey ma. Jeez.
Near covered my
can
no.
Like being her tactical dullig a leher see anu anur in a shane to a pictureland. If you want to god is dullig a deuce kai do.
No.
Yeah.
Going to all agus ní bheith zór oltad le láú. So be tú cos leis an was that an Seanwahar sin SpongeBob nach chu it's like water. She nach gas go ag pixel nid but yeah.
For God's sake.
Shriveled. Cos le na MMA fighters sa weigh-in.
Oh my god, stop.
Mm.
Bhín sin crackáilte. No bheith nó is géir bhdrá ada. Agus tháinig má scanan amhain a bhí le trí go le a Roma sásta faoi agus bhí se RRR in scanan sin ó Bollywood a bhí like action dance. Unbelievable. So deadly.
Yeah,
Ta
but this
absolutely
cosú seo hána Hugh agus ran me a trailer agus sé I think bé an trína is massa a bhí am
No. Not a chance.
Hugh níl muoine agin as to taste.
Ní bhí McGurk ar scanan cosla sin i gcónaí ach bhí RRR dá craic literally much as much courage just a scradal ar an television like yeah fuck them up go on the lads because it's like basically like historical fan fiction and dá wangla a venue is it's like Sally the Nern should scanan where it was like Carthy Sally Darrow Hugh Cullen agus Michael Collins were best friends sin like but like in version like Indian da sin sin kill style because it's like dingy the phone's there but it's like let's just curry like hella agus Sally go rushed ag tridge na Brits so bhí tá Doc Ratchet ceol Doc Ratchet an action just like crackáilte té ní ghlachi me le ein Maslu ar Áine Y RRR so sin rud a bhaint a gaid am a breithlá am gaarchar RRR ríis.
Well, I think just go gan mé ag an duiste nát cos ní meid sí garchar scan an Mas gur James gur sin an trí bhhaint smasa that feel.
I know, but
marker.
I know.
No, just in see no matter smash on YouTube, not on my heel. I've had many a bad see no matter my heel.
Well, also,
I guess in fairness, many good at this band. I should know.
Hey-o.
Yeah.
Basta, I will money no good Blast James. And bheith ní smó money no good Blast James that bheith im a blast.
Ornta, tá ní smó like ceoltarín stuff go mail agus James go mail from merch go need. Smiling and get to bug cheese, I think.
Yeah.
You know.
We should blast all village people snuff again you. Go Malashka.
Yeah, I guess him point proven. So
as cheesy as you can be. Village people, Queen, Abba. I haven't you.
A kinder kill inta.
Oh, can I segue Shaw?
Here the Tarlu and Jerry Shackman Shahogan, guys.
Shocked in 1 week anniversary of your birthday, Hugh.
Yeah. I guess pretty much like a calorie reach. Darn now.
A
calorie egg fail in the galley.
Hey-o!
Here for a good time, not for a long time.
Yes, absolutely. Jarmshin la dingy numberke, I guess I think cool.
Cringy.
No, as in like this is like because Chema Mott like Raw Vinnick. Tá actually go bh mai well no tá neamh go bh mai anocht because tá like go leim a breithlá a rí the seachtainí you know chuim mat le haid dehahain excuse you my few goal chuim mat le dehahain le bhfuil le in much courage in obair sacu agus an sin if you man work when you get all her imagine it's like right caiime se choáile
Schneiland chords it yeah
Sin ru den Yennan's card.
Yeah.
Shop personal shout out, right? I'm just going personal, not shout out, call out her ma or dingy being gay show podcast song to dingy to fan that pod show, right? Done on time with her, I guess the show start gubber a pub and like Leah. I guess many can eat grow her mission was be real. I guess mission see team with that Lewis fall rail Golawala. I was current text him to Monarash again pub agus Jerem said yeah go on so twisting my arm
mu go héisiúí Na Seansálaithe fud fad ébe cin átáú ní sam réidir beas but still má ecinn this a Hugh a date chuteach saying
as Glock picture le whole
not Glock picture
and then Dim was montage like that in the blame
montage ag tear the bliana the stalkers atá agamsa sin
no higlann é chaú ag socrid tuige higlann sláidú ag socrid den thuair al hartalig
dan thuair al hartalig Basically, like I'm telling you,
They montage Hugh cús numa their ads be mu an 3 second.
Bei dingy ar fád ag teach le, le cai sealigh mis is itála.
Sin just like shine of it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But look, Caintear Féile.
Caintear Féile le Gealaí. Le dá.
Ceartta gine I dhéana olbhú mar ní bheith mar an deis acu colú.
No ní
Féile
bheith.
Gealaí tan mar sin caiithín daoine an íhomlan ina ggóseat.
Sleep when you're dead.
TP.
Which is
Sleep when you're dead. Sin an mantra den deir seach sin.
Yeah. Céfah
Ca ceis go mar bhfuil éon éadaí cool planáilte agah den deir seachna. Rud bhí or cean agah.
My outfit's planned already.
And drip atá agam sa le Féile na Gealaí. It is céif an géad.
Yes.
No, níl éon plan agam. No, níl zero plan agam. Absolutely.
Mu si bh géime chud broga ar eáil.
Tás bragu reáil.
A si darm.
Oh,
whip them out.
Crocs. Yeah.
Yes.
Platform tie-dye Crocs. They should chill arm and deir seachna like.
Yes, the boy.
I gave in. They're my goni nach wine pair real with my heel, but they're cute.
Agus allegedly comperdach. Should know the whole much faster.
Oh, cos the súil scamma shaganta.
Just jazz. No, Neil ein collie always hogamsa, but like what's new? Like Neil Nivin collie always hogamsa Ryu. So
Bearman and glitter agus a hundred the hurt Maurice Lena. It's go jiggling face paint jazz, you know.
Can you? Absolutely. Our good anim a criú or our good
Thomas collie Pokemon.
Oh well?
Yeah.
You heard him move.
Hugh, you're talking to the fashion forward guy here. Come on.
I'm a catch Ryan Seacrest and Sean. Come on.
Yeah, exactly. You know, I ain't afraid to wear a turtleneck sweater.
And will a haircut book out to Shahagud, James?
Yeah. No, I actually don't like so.
Oh, credit will do.
Oh, that's so good.
So I'll go to Suez, Trish, like, so like, you know, the freshness won't fade. Oh, yeah. I wish come out haircut that on the side.
Oh my god.
And Cartusa like Dahig and Crackle Chuck or Sam Marguerite and Shakna.
Jenna, absolutely.
Yeah.
Forget.
Yeah.
Glass.
Okay, no. Ní me glass. Ní
mead.
How much mead?
Karen glass na mead.
Me, so cash of glass.
Okay, but hopefully I'm just streak na goí and Jackson clicking umlan.
Jen clicking umlan. You have to commit.
Yeah. No, ní me
you get back on my head. And due to edit podcast, go to go die. This was a glass.
Like legally
binding contract, basically.
Yeah.
Just said. So the investments are good to fail the Gealaí. Just be Brandon Mark clicking green against some school.
But my camouflage listen bar.
It's unreal the ways to go. Fiddle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, can
Yeah, exactly. Ní bheith thinking big
camouflage, no creep.
Can you make a camouflage short shot term? Come on, look.
Oh my god, I don't know camouflage.
Hey, there you go.
Doesn't he keep their female?
Hang it, but this sounds piss all your lore stage and you can't do it. Yeah.
Sin an fláán atugin don show beo actually that just gone.
Moody camouflage.
GP demonstration.
Yeah, sheepy demonstration. That much call it strategy like marketing in it. That much genu. That's good like phone in shopping. Like shouldn't have much the anu in it.
Like tele shopping.
Yeah. Which kind of Geel ruddy. Which kind of a hustle he's the film in the Gealaí. So be Ray.
Women's are all kids was in like film the Gealaí.
Ari Jerry. Yeah.
Ari get the bugger ancient could be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically just air modes. Go in Na Seansálaithe a tógáil hot wings.
I went to Medallion like tortilla chips just for the sake of practicality.
Don't give the illusion away.
Bingo wings. Sin go
Was just go could hats on the bicep is gonna have to be lick it off.
You'd love that. Nah, Bernish.
No. Well, no, I don't know. You want him didn't even my lick no fairness.
No.
Good to know.
Not
Blush and chip shin a Cali.
Not at least 3 Jocham. Buy me dinner first.
and then lick what you want.
And then everything is game.
James Gurkos had 99 all war.
What's my favorite emoji for that? What's that accounting in the English? There's nail polish.
Oh, this is kind of a wild fire throw. Let's the interns LTG.
I know, yeah, I actually know. I know. Like, come on, actually, like, Ian are the initial effect if you were like, oh, wow. Like,
James Keikomanik is a Gerentune Fockle Slay.
Oh, man, the man actually raw really more.
Like, Visagum, man.
It's giving.
It's giving. Bemude maar. Oh God, that's too much of a mouthful.
Of a mouthful?
Na Seansálaithe.
Oh. Na Seansálaithe.
Seansálaithe. Catches ag Féile na Gealaí na Seansálaithe. Thomas come on. The TP ag begin Tommy saying for biggie on.
Just task him anish commission and other wine to the Eagle of leor English. O'Shaw, good job. O'Shaw, good job.
Archer to Jensa good James.
I know, we shouldn't really tackle her although. I don't think maybe not like he's pinned the wall, maybe like anyone on Fumu.
Leaving this in on Marnara and Pintawan in fairness.
Yeah. I usually be my like you can all it's in the Mars code about grunts, so Sin
fum white that phodchraoladh.
Then Hugh Dominican you're to begin to scale it. Just finish it. Then it was in our fads.
Janame
and it gives such a like Neil Sin Dalai I guess or other tara good.
Okay, no, yeah, Janame nothing much in pod just let Tishpan Goma a gay shot go Fáilte because otherwise Neil to I have feck I'll miss it got like blank face like nothing my gay shot so bitch I just so gone like a
No, Jenen's fear here like why didn't you?
Everything is content. Something to begin to tap with their hand with. Agus I was spread get the big oh spread me getting lost then.
Do you know date regime at IQ?
Date regime?
And then you're entertained too.
That's a fuck like.
I don't know.
Jenny would you go Arak we the good know sne.
Yeah, testing about I don't know if you've been Jenny for some reason. It's just going because Tashiv Gaffalum. It's okay. It's alright.
Oh.
Because the just whole, you know, as much a sex symbol in pod shops, so Kahil and Yeg and
imitation is just a form of flattery, Hugh.
Damn right. Yes,
Slay.
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 Acta tickety go fáidir fáil the féil na Gealaí.
When she's a TP I'm making just her name which can go fáil faoin am a combination bay Hugh a genu Gael Gairy is tá a good condition Hugh well
3 o'clock
sa TP style
sa TP
sa TP but yeah good she like agus beidir gnuirí muidir tríle just hot sauce no just bacon any one day Dave agus I'm worth trying much in
Jenny would shots la handling you
the hot sauce.
It's a good day there means was come saying she's I was saying a hortu ach ni tá do chud sing le na griche more me bomb
yeah
anything for the sake of content
ho fear Pain kept news fair good that because we by in ked or a vi your father bhí an airí. So cén cyfniú is fear bhí a goibh don féile an airí. Cos tá go ten rudder Instagram for learn fast cyfní cin féil na Gealaí.
Bhí puinte nuair a tháinig James arás ó galú síl an beidir an céadíthe agus just kind of tháinig an trúgan le céile I leor an slua. And bhí sé just really specialte an siúm go sin ná an gcuirmúid an picture granar sin. And just like
sin an dánaige
Darníthe, okay.
Yeah.
So bhí sin just jazz like just cuimhní mar an bommate sin like go solir. Jazz bhí I think cíle beidir an státe and just bhí ahan den na bózáil bhí sé aonanta. So yeah, sin gur sin é dúsa.
Céim mar James ar an cyfniús fear bhí go don féile chuir is an puchtar sin Swiss a rí de seachtainí le haid le ré like tá féil na Gealaí chart Swiss whatever agus captain I gurbé sin an le rom of breithlá so like yeah le rim of breithlá bhí si like oh le breithlá honadid agus we're like no don't you worry Harva cart
James
I'd say nuair a lí kneecap nut job Ermsa.
ro sin.
Imagine that doing it.
Oh yeah.
Casually in 24 hours. Yeah, that's good. Remember my raw agus. Yeah, we should take it raw. Yeah, this is kid on nuts nach what is this shit.
You're telling me.
Yeah, you're like that's high praise.
Tell me something I don't know.
I mean that mouse again then you well nuts cin nach bhfuil bhí kneecap I think about siad san Sláineálaí or an craic so
yeah look an féil na Gealaí se béim actually on le híon rud ar fád.
Yes ní bheith tú
because the rion lei bín sé really jazz rion lei cumá is fan tú actually just leir le daoine so beit tú ab tanya wintas an dáhiúil den deir seach na seogan. Jay Foots a Hugh cin cuimhne cín is teis atá go tónarí.
Oh, cin cyfniús fear ónarí Jearhing an pobl jarg like kind just an pobl sin a bhí caite
go seachtar mágin bhí sé bogu hair a criú
bhí sé gas like so bhí sé just like
bhí mis sítí mo sin I brandhfuil agus ús se tá pobl sin le go seach do pobl sin agus brandama ar fád atáú agus bhí a bhí sé bogu chomáil agus bhí se choú ar mátain as bhí just brandhfuil agus bhí amazed agus
so the gcuoine áró ann rinn si ddíirecht an pobl dearg chu stras a típi na bhí sinna
Darlo chuis se secha
Hiríló yeah
agus an sure sin bhí arthú é caiimáris but bhí se no just bhín rud ar fád like bhí se just crackáilte. Is
covilum just barry sucrú genú like daus a gailach agus an tipi bín tip you mean pobl jarg like I dausa ar chuúl as just a genú like daus a gailach character and pobl jarg like what just what he an moment and really like oh Cammy Dudley this is getting weird
sin an punches fear that Áine is nar to just ag rudding out not to genu rud aigen agus then sudden realization of like near chartu bheith Shaw or Harvey
do na hain
like no an kinda massa was never chuime gig in sin tamhan agus bhfuil bhí me se chun an éte foiáil agus hána cin courage istí cin na lád an cháiste agus fanna mar hart fe agus ben crackum agus then hard cut go dtín trí logramáin se country Van Halens na 8 agus just literally hunti mar hart leis agus lad caiime se foiáil níor cartu bhéint seo tá obair agam gin séúr níor cartu bhéint Harvey scanlach absolutely scanlach well bé amar dóiging ar in nos agus agsú go mór le ahanana feáil fásta landí nachhaid le ó bhí neirí take le bhéin sin daoine nachfu feicigin le tam fada daoine ó th lear daoine ó chundaithe eile daoine de taistal le bhéin sin do féil na Gealaí so bé se ananaías bé se go wholesome just kosher mór den na Gael hot Gael summer so tarlú ríis
No, doesn't work.
Bes go dé.
Tá sé bhí sléim sadéis.
Yeah. You make a whole sleigh?
That's like wholesale.
Yeah. Sléan is go cuaach is a rud an sa. Sin rud an mis. Gurmaigad, gurhíine maigad. Right, caiimiding gáil. It can't be a bheith áing go fágáil. Caiimiding go fágáil. So, ná Jenny Jarmad. Well, dúspáir go maigad certification na Seansa. Mat the Gary Mudge. Amsú, the man hosted Tamage Na Seansálaithe Instagram, Na Seansálaithe Twitter, Na Seansálaithe Youtube is the decal and fish target Áine Galanta and shot na or Spotify.
Agus my crocs are.
Agus na crocs come ashko. Agus Killian, Cambridge regular v CC v Killian cameo one. Let's jingle exactly.
In your Galanta.
I think we've seen on like Na Seansálaithe bingo immersness like here the Harlands in Eagrán like tagging Killian or stuff.
Mata ein dinge an on sin na chuirla cheile le a hall Jenny Shane smuitiú den ska sin smuitiú dá choráte le hall mata ein dinge an é dhéanú.
No, and there was a mission focal barrel agus just alpha.in le chuir deadho.
Nuair san James Slay. Go leor na fucking na seachtainí throne.
James to mesal. Sin rud the end to mesal.
Mesal.
Can't wait to drive on like train on. It's a gun. Swim on.
Slaying 2, slaying Shay,
slaying the stand slaying a slayha. The slay meads.
Crack at you.
Stand slayer. Slay meads.
Stad dashin. Right, what's the Gary?
It's getting weird.
Right, come on.
Slay is a state of mind. Okay.
Sunstroker, James.
Yeah, I think we'll let the hall cudgy lash. Ma tattoo a Gary. Help. Ma tattoo. Come on now. Bit of mass now.
Sorry, professionalism.
Grace and decorum to the hall. Ma tattoo Gary. Áine amsú the man hosted Héile or anywhere Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, not anywhere or TikTok. The gear James amsú the man hosted that's more flairtach or Twitter, flairtach or Instagram, agus flairtach or TikTok. That's what the gear Mahana amsú man hosted that more Hugh Car here or Twitter, Hugh Car here or Instagram. Agus just gra Hugh Car or TikTok. Yes. Agus mat the Gary na Jenny Jarmad. Shouting seo hugging. Liu gajin hinu le jeg da me have Féile in the Gealaí. Big on because Jenny show be a couple of show be agus be armor dogging we're putting our bodies on the line.
Hey, Rudy Fáilte agus ní was a cant fi just an amshid new body Hugh with conspy sauce.
What a hot but you know it's rare. Stand that shin. Well end plugs Alec game which end with the Alec game which a flogga solar chain was Lynn.
Ní dóna mé.
Biggie criú scéalta atágaí way féinte river seo version mel bevráing worgad scéalta chlostal ag Féile na Gealaí.
Yes.
I ben muid a cur brewer of scéaltaí chuirtún ag Féile na Gealaí.
Yes.
Need brew. They're gonna slay with us.
Right. And Biggie live. But she got a while. Library of Honda Dusa.
Happy birthday!
But you saw the show shot to you, Agus. But you can't live a shot to showing the Eagrán Earth and the Seansálaithe. Slime.
Slay.
No, James.